Hi there and welcome to my channel, Cut to the Chase. Today I'm going to be looking at tyres and how to ensure that your tyres are in good condition. So as you can see here, this tyre looks fairly brand new and I'm just going to check it myself. So the first thing I want to do is have a look at these sidewalls. Now the cars have sidewalls on both sides, so the inside and outer sidewalls, and you want to make sure that those haven't got any bulges on them. So if there's a bulge, it means that the structure which holds the tyre together and gives it that support, keeps it nice and round, it has been lost, and if it hits a bump, if you're unlucky, it can blow out, leaving your car in a very dangerous position on the motorway or something. So the tires can get damaged on the sidewalls as well as the treads. So on the treads, you'll see them there. You can see that these ones, as I said, are quite good, but I pulled the wheel out right out as far to be able to see, and there you can see this flat surface and the depth of space we've got there. Now here you can see the depth mark, which is that 1.6 millimeter. When the tires wear, if you ever see the actual tread pattern matching up to that, then you're in a situation, because that means that your tires are probably illegal. So I would say change them at around the 3 millimeter mark. So it gives you lots of time and to do it, but also at least you've still got a little bit of grip on it. You don't want to be losing traction in the rain. So how do we measure these tire depths? So we use this little gauge here, which is the tire gauge. You get digital ones, you get analog ones. I'm using an analog one here, and in I go. You put it down like that, press it down. 2 hands for this job, but I'm going to do it with one. And you're going to turn this dial here. Now this dial has got numbers all the way around, and you want that number, the number in line, to line up with the top of the silver part. So I'm going to just show you this by coming at a different angle once I've got it nicely in position, and then you'll see that there you can see it's running at 6 millimeters, and I go right across to the next one like that and press it down again, it's at 6 millimeters, and so on and so on. So you want to do this for each of the tires just to make sure that the measurements measure well. Now if you find that it's 6 millimeters, 6 millimeters, 5 millimeters, 4 millimeters, then that means you've probably got an alignment issue, and the tire will need to get aligned properly. Ideally, the best time to align a tire is when they're all a car is when they're all brand new tires, but that's just an idealistic case. In realistic case, you're gonna have to get them aligned anyway. So even after alignment, always keep an eye on the tires. You need to do this regularly. I would do this once every 3 to 4 weeks. And just to make sure that everything is as it should be. It's a good idea to keep your tires as well, for looking up for nails and bits and pieces, and you can do that by either jacking the car and rotating the wheel, or just moving the car very slowly and getting somebody to spot your tires for you. Do them for all 4 tires. The other thing we've got to look at is for cracks in the sidewalls. If you've got cracks in the sidewalls, not a great thing. Tire pressure. Now tire pressure is quite an interesting one. This is a Makita LXT pump. The reason why I like it is because it's very fast, so it can do the job roughly in about 6 seconds or so. It's very fast to actually blow up a tire. You do get ones from Tesco's and from Halfords, which are powered by the cigarette lighter, and so you turn the engine on, you go jump at the car, and you unscrew the cap, the dust cap, plug this thing in, and you're away. The Makita here, as you can see, it's got a digital display. It's got light up the front there, digital display there, and you've got a power button right here. Okay, so, and it takes the battery off an LXT, let's say, drill that you might have. So the battery is used on all the Makita products of the LXT range. It delivers a lot of power. So I'm going to show you how this thing works on this particular tire. At the back here. Now the reason why I'm doing it at the back is because the front one's already been done. So we're going to the back one. So unscrew the dust cover, and then you're going to need 2 hands for the next part. Unfortunately I've only got the one, so I'll struggle here a bit before I realise I have to put the phone down. Okay, so I'm going to push that all the way down, click it back, and pull back that lever. Okay, so it's parallel to the tubing. Right, next thing I do is I have to switch it on at the side. The blue lights come on, and you can see it's at 35.5. It should be set at 40, so I'm going to press this button until I get to 40. Compress the little button underneath that handle there, and you'll see it just tick up nicely. It's at 37, 37.5, 38, 38.5, 39, etc. Now, you can also do this if you find your tyres a little bit low. You can get Sainsbury's, etc. to do it. I think it's about pound for all 4 tyres. So that's 25 pence a wheel. The reason why I like this Makita is I can do it at home, and it's really easy to go around the cars and just do it, because it's not a chore, because it's so fast. Okay, a chore is when you have to take that cable through each of the windows and just walk around and really treat that small machine, which you can get from Tesco, as I said, from Halfords, with as much care. You can be up to about 2 minutes waiting for a car to pump up. So say that tyre with the standard Tesco one would take about maybe a minute and a half to do. So I don't want to be wasting that amount of time doing this. So wearing, looking for wear on your tyres, making sure that they're well pressed up, pumped up, really important for the lifespan of the tyre as well as your safety. So I hope I've given you a lot of information that you can think about, and keep these tyres as safe as you can. Now, finally, I'm going to say to you, if you like this video, do subscribe to the other channels. This tyre video is sort of suitable for any of the cars that you'll be driving. Just make sure you get the tyre pressure suitable for your particular tyre. 40 pounds per square inch is suitable for mine, but make sure that you know what your tyres are, and also know that the tyre pressure is also variable and dependent on the amount of weight you're carrying. If you're carrying less people or more people. I hope that's useful. Do some more investigation into what's going to suit you best, and take care. Do subscribe to this channel. Bye.